Changing your username on Booking.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Booking.com website and log in using your current username and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Details. Click on this option to view your current username and other personal details. Step 4. Edit your username. Find the field that displays your current username. Click on the Edit button next to it and enter your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any specified criteria set by Booking.com. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Booking.com customer support for assistance.